How Market Chaos Real Basis Pricing Works, produced by Market Chaos Solutions Incorporated. In this lesson, you will learn what is real basis prices, difference between nominal and real pricing systems, what is a price rate profile, and how to apply Market Chaos Real Basis Pricing. Before we begin, let's explain the workspace. The workspace consists of 5 sections. Each section has a purpose, and they all together work in unity. Here is an example of a workspace. Located across the top, similar to a toolbar, is the Guide to the Global Financial Crisis Timeline. The purpose is to assist in plotting a coordinate or monthly location, and that is done by identifying it in a shaded yellow box. The red square is the October 2008 credit shock and the 1929 October credit shock. The green square is the September 1931 currency shock and the potential September 2010 currency shock. Section 2 is color-coded coordinate numbers. Red refers to the Great Depression, yellow the global financial crisis, and blue monetary reform. The small print below the coordinate number refers to the pricing system, nominal versus real, actual versus estimated. Section 4 is designated for any pertinent information relative to the coordinate in analysis. And Section 5 is the title and the content area. How Market Chaos Real Basis Pricing Works. Coordinate 31, yellow represents the global financial crisis. Yellow square is 2 coordinates prior to the anticipated currency shock. In this lesson, nominal and real price systems will be used, actual and estimated. The Market Chaos Real Basis Pricing formula is straightforward. The nominal or face value price is the divisible unit. The Market Chaos unit is the divisor, and the real basis price is the quotient. Circle Venn diagram will be used to visually plot the rate of change. Economic law, economic stability equates to price stability. In stable times, nominal value is equal to real value. They separate when monetary forces intensify, and if the item is debt dependent, it is subject to price deflation. High necessity items, non-debt dependent, currency inflation. Published at the beginning of each month, MCSI releases a numerical factor used as a divisor for adjusting nominal prices to real prices. MCSI's starting basis is a unit. In arithmetic, 1 represents a unit. MCSI uses a proprietary method to arrive at the basis to Market Chaos Real Basis Pricing. The basis is consumer goods and services. Prices are collected from price survey centers around the world. In this lesson, a unit is 1. Divisor. The MCU is solely a unit of measurement for pricing and symbolic of having redemptive value. A legal tender currency unit, on the other hand, can be used for both pricing and store of value. An example, the Gold Reserve Act of 1900 provided that the dollar consisting of 25 8/10 grains of gold, 9/10 fine, as established by Section 3511 of the Revised Statutes of the United States, shall be the standard unit of value, and all forms of money issued or coined by the United States shall be maintained at a parity of value with this standard. 1 unit, as determined by Market Chaos, is a group of consumer goods and services, the basis of MCSI real basis pricing. In 1900, 1 US dollar had a basis of 25 8/10 grains of gold, 1 unit, 25 and 8/10 grains of gold. The first step to market chaos real basis pricing is to select a reference point. Reference value can be any value. For this illustration, our reference value is 1. Venn circles for rate of change are the same. All values are set at 1, nominal, MCU, and real. Prices of selected goods and services at reference. Step 2, rate of price change assumptions. In this illustration, we're applying a 2-time increase in the MCU, holding the nominal value constant. With the nominal value constant, a rise in the MCU results in a corresponding drop in the real price. A nominal value of 1 over a MCU of 2 equates to a real value of 0.5. It's important to note across-the-board deflation from Phase 4 of the world monetary cycle, the global financial crisis, is recognized only in the real pricing system. Under these rate of price change assumptions, nominal values remain the same. Real prices decline in half. In this next illustration, we raise the MCU 4 times. A sharp rise in the MCU has a counter effect on real values. A nominal price of 1 and an MCU value of 4 equates to a real value of 0.25. Under these rate change assumptions, all real values decline to 1/4 of their nominal value. In this next illustration, we will change the rate of price change assumption on the nominal value by a multiple of 2. A nominal value of 2, an MCU of 4, equates to a real value of 0.5. What would hyperinflation look like? A scheduled rate of price change is also referred to as a rate profile. There are 3 categories of rate profiles: case study, manual entry, and mathematical computation. Application of rate profile. Rate profile is used to arrive at nominal estimated prices. In this illustration, we're going to select the type of rate profile that's a case study modified the 1923 Germany final stage. Modifications were made in the red numbered coordinates. 25 will be the published factor, the MCU. The 1922-23 Germany was a classic case of hyperinflation. The German rate profile case study consisted of 18 monthly coordinates. The last third was selected with modifications. In this illustration, we raise the nominal by a factor of 10. A nominal price of 10 over an MCU of 25 equates to a real price of 0.4. In a nominal pricing system, prices experience high inflationary pressure, while on a real basis, deflationary pressure. In this lesson, you should have learned what is real basis prices, the difference between nominal and real pricing systems, what is a price rate profile, and how to apply market chaos real basis pricing. A real basis price is a price that has redemptive value, meaning it has definable quantity and quality. When monetary forces intensify, namely deflation from the debt component of the money supply and inflation from the currency component of the money supply, nominal prices and real prices separate. During a period of price instability, a rate profile is a technique used to estimate nominal and real prices. Want economic stability in your life, career, or business? Learn to be a pro at real basis pricing by becoming a subscriber today. Practice the art of maintaining price stability using real basis pricing on assets and debt. Learn how to account for both monetary forces, debt deflation, and currency inflation on prices. Learn easy-to-use tactics in financial record keeping suitable for the global financial crisis.